All right, what's going on, guys? Today is Thursday, December the 29th. We're in Oak Ridge, Tennessee, and we're going to be doing a hardwood screening and recoating today. These floors are very old. They are in horrible condition, guys. The finish is completely diminished. Almost every video, the last few, I feel like I've said that. But guys, just take a real close look at these floors. You can see that there's absolutely zero finish on the floors. A lot of areas that are missing stains, so we're going to have to do a little bit more of an aggressive screening on these floors, and we're going to be pushing back in some of the stain of the floors to give it a little bit more contrast, to warm these floors up a little bit for our clients. So immediately, guys, looking at these floors, you can just see, I don't even have to tell you what you're looking at. You can see, look, a lot of the stain has worn off of these floors. You can see there's no finish. It has no protective coating to it. These floors are in very rough condition. I want to just take you through a really quick walkthrough of the home so that way you can see the condition the floors are in now and what they're going to look like after. Guys, take a look. This is gonna be a huge before and after. Is right here through this walkway. This is where we're getting the most light, where I'm gonna be able to show you guys the biggest difference is gonna be shown right here. So you'll be able to see where we recoat it, how smooth, how clean it looks. So take a look how it looks now compared to what it's gonna look like in this after video. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do an entire walk through the house. And here through the kitchen, we're gonna be doing the living room, the little hall, the 2 bedrooms here. This will be the main dining area, I believe. Again, this is gonna be another really good before and after video through here where you can see the light coming in. Again, guys, the finish is diminished off of these as well. You can see there's a lot of bald spots where we're actually down to the hardwood itself. And then again, in this room here. So, guys, I think these are gonna turn out really good, and I'm excited to show you how dramatic the difference is. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, guys, so as always, the first thing that we're gonna be doing is abrading these floors. And with this one, we actually went with a much lower grit than what we usually do. And you can see here that it's knocking off quite a bit of color, but there was a lot of dirt and contaminant on that top layer. So we kind of wanted to bring them down to the hardwood as much as we could, because we are going to be adding stain back into the floor. So we are moving right along with the floors. This is actually the last room that needs to be screened. For the first time, we're gonna actually do 2 screenings. But you guys can see they're actually coming out really good. Like I said, again, we're doing a little bit more of an aggressive screening because I really want to bring some of the color tones of this floor down as much as I can, because you can see whoever did the screening last time did a really botched job. You can see a lot of just like different hues coming out of the floor. So I'm not sure really what they did, but the guys, they didn't do a good job. You can see the color differences all over the floor, especially in here. So I really want to knock it down as much as I can to the hardwood, and then we're going to do some color correction because I want all of the floors to have one color tone. You can see in here, it's a lot browner, lot darker brown. And in here, you got a lot of pops of kind of like orange and amber tones in here. So I'm trying to knock those down as much as I can and get one uniform color throughout the entirety of these floors. So that's what we're doing. You guys can see they're looking a lot better in these back rooms here. We're gonna vacuum all this up, screen it one more time, vacuum it again. But anyway, guys, just wanted to kind of show you that. So let's keep going. All right, step 2, after we get everything plugged in, step 2 is clean. We gotta get this first coat of dry poly off the floor. So that's what we're gonna do now. You guys can see I made quite the mess all over the floor. So we're gonna go ahead and get that vacuumed up now. All right, guys, so now that we have finished the vacuuming, the cleaning, the screening, what we're going now is laying our preparatory cleaning solution. And this is just gonna make sure that we don't have any interference with the bonding or adhesion of our new top coat onto the floors. We wanna make sure there's no acrylic waxes, residue, dirt, grime, anything like that that's gonna be laying on the top. We don't want to be on there. So that's what this preparatory cleaning solution is for, is designed to make sure that our surface is clean, contaminant free, and ready to accept our new top coat. Guys, this is my favorite part in the refinishing process, is actually the clean and prep, because it gives you a chance and allows you to see what the floors are going to look like once you actually put that polyurethane, and you guys can see from the before and after what a drastic difference it made. These floors are going to turn out great. Guys, so we are ready to move on. So what we're gonna do now, I wanna give these floors a little bit of an oil modified look. So we're gonna be putting some additives in this right now. Oh shoot. I'll tell you what. I know that was 2 ounces. So 2 ounces is what we're gonna be putting in here. And then we are also gonna be putting a little bit of color back into the floor. We actually need to put 2 ounces into this product as well. So I've got my stain here, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit. Nope, that's actually the wrong one. This is the correct one, and I'm gonna put about 2 ounces. Yeah, 2 ounces of this in there just to give the floors a little bit of a color pop. Probably even 1 ounce, I'd say 1.5 ounces. Would be good. And then we're just gonna shake that up, guys, and then this will be ready to put on the floor. Guys, I really try my best to get the best angles to allow you guys to be able to see how much better these floors look like once we roll this polyurethane. And I really believe that this oil modified additive gave these floors a really warm, rich, oiled look. And I think they really made the floors pop. I mean, you can see here just how drastic the difference is, and how much better these floors are already starting to look. All right, guys, we're finishing up now on this first coat in the living room, and you guys can see, look at the difference. Look how much better these floors are. Way too close. but look at the difference, guys. They are turning out, I mean, look at these. Incredible. So I can get some better light. And I do apologize, the lighting isn't the best thing here, but look at that difference, guys. So much better. I can't wait until you guys get to see it when it is fully dried. All right, guys, we are back from lunch break. The first coat is down. You're gonna see a little bit right here where we still need a hit, but that second coat of polyurethane is actually gonna cover this. Guys, look how much better these floors look. They actually have a sheen on it. You can see some footprints where I've been walking around in my socks, so disregard that. The floors are still drying. They're still a little bit damp, but guys, these floors turned out great compared to what they were before. Very pleased with it. Our client just stopped by. They were very pleased with it, which is all I can ask. Again, guys, you're still gonna see areas that aren't leveled out yet because we do have to apply that second coat. So anything that you see that looks like a lap mark is a lap mark. Again, that second coat is what covers everything and gives it that nice uniformed look. But guys, look how much better these look compared to what we started with. They are so much warmer, so much more vibrant. Again, guys, remember looking through here where I told you to pay close attention? Look how good that looks. Again, this is only the first coat, so the second coat is gonna look even better. We will not be back for that second coat. I can see actually a small spot that I missed. That will be covered with a second coat and through here as well. But guys, this is pretty much gonna be the same on the second coat, just minus all the lap marks will be covered. We are not gonna be coming back for that because it is at the end of the day. So that is gonna conclude this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, thank you to everyone who has subscribed to the channel, everyone who has followed along. Appreciate it. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.